When you're asked to bring a salad to your next lunch or barbecue, then you have to try my crispy noodle and chicken salad. It is a crowd pleaser and everyone goes wild for it. And what makes this so special is the dressing. So into a jar, I'm going to add some white vinegar, about 4 tablespoons because you want a big hit of acidity. We also need to balance this out with some sweetness, so some caster sugar, a small pinch of salt, and some soy, and the soy is going to give this a lovely savouriness. So you want 2 to 3 tablespoons of light soy. And now some sesame oil. Sesame oil is going to give this a really lovely nutty flavour. And a lot of recipes just call for a small amount, but for this dressing, you want about 1 to 2 teaspoons, so we really taste it. Great. All we need to do now is give this a really good shake to dissolve all of that sugar and allow all those flavours to mingle. Okay, now that that sugar has dissolved, we'll finish this dressing with a splash of olive oil. And now the dressing is done. Lid goes on, and you'll take that to the barbecue as is. Give it a quick shake before you serve. You don't want to be adding this dressing now. It's really one of those dressings you want to leave to the last minute, just so those noodles stay super crispy. Next, all of the salad ingredients. Now, there's a little bit of chopping, but it's totally worth it. In here, I have some cabbage, some wombok, along with some carrot that I've finely julienned. I'm also going to add just some spring onions, and we'll just chop them. Ideally the white and light green part, along with some coriander, and I like a good hit of coriander, and just roughly chop it. I'll reserve some of the leaves for the garnish later on. And we'll pop that into our large bowl, along with some bean sprouts, a big handful of them for some crunch. I like to add some toasted slivered almonds, and some chicken. Now this is just some leftover barbecued chicken. You can use store-bought for sure. Some pickled ginger, I've just finely chopped that. Some sesame seeds, and the all-important crispy noodles, which you can get from all of your supermarkets. I'm going to add 1 handful now, and I'll keep the rest for later because we want the crunch from the noodles. So we'll just give that a really good toss. Get your tongs in there, toss all that together. Be quite gentle with it so we're not bruising any of the ingredients. And if you like, you could use a fork and a spoon. That is looking good. Now it's time to serve, so we're going to give our dressing one last shake, and then we're going to pour it all over this lovely salad. Fantastic, it smells so good with that sesame oil and the soy. One final toss. And let's place this on a large, generous platter. Pile it up. It's just one of those salads that everyone is going to like because there's so much going on. And the best salads are the ones that have loads of texture. And boy, does this salad have some texture. To finish it off, some extra crispy noodles over the top. Sprinkle that over. Some coriander that I reserved, and some sesame seeds. And there you have it. If you want your salad to be the most popular at your next lunch or barbecue, then you've got to try this crispy noodle salad.